What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at an impressive new addition to the EDC community, and that is the Thai Lookout Fixed Blade by Big Eye Design. Priced at $200, this knife is named after the iconic Lookout Mountain in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and is designed to be a pocket-friendly, everyday carry fixed blade. The Thai Lookout Fixed Blade features M390 blade steel, known for its excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The scales and hardware are made from grade 5 titanium, ensuring durability while keeping the knife lightweight. With a 6.2-inch overall length and a 2.2-inch blade length, this knife strikes the perfect balance between size and utility. The 3mm blade thickness provides a robust cutting edge, and the lanyard hole in the rear handle screw offers added versatility for carrying options. One of the standout features is the inclusion of two Kydex sheaths for both left and right pocket carry, complete with a titanium pocket clip. As a lefty, I super appreciate the thoughtfulness of Big Eye Design in catering to all users. What I really love about this knife is how pocketable and sleek it is. Despite not being a huge fan of fixed blades at first, especially micro fixed blades, I've become a big fan of the Thai Lookout. If you're looking to get into the niche of fixed blade knives in the EDC community, I truly believe that this is a great place to start. Its quality, design, and functionality make it a fantastic addition to any EDC setup. I'll link this knife in the description below, along with a discount that can save you 10% off at checkout. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more EDC reviews and content.